crap does it feel good outside. Cold front just blew through. It rained on the truck. Oh well, I'll wash it tomorrow when I go home. So yeah, y'all are gonna go with me to school because I'm gonna do a little campus tour to show y'all the Sam Houston campus. If you haven't already been out here or want to come out here, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. So we'll go do that now. And look at that. My truck is over 50,000 miles and I had no idea. 50,034 miles on this truck. Wow. Calls for a celebration tonight. Anyway, we'll go to school. Because no one could see anything that night I did the video, you know, this is it. This is pretty much downtown Huntsville. You got some old churches and shops and crap. But this time you can see everything because it's daytime. Oh my God, what is this guy doing up here? Just sitting there. There's a lot of cops and stuff, so I don't know what's going on today down here. It's probably because it's a prison town. Oh my God. I mean, the fuck is going on? Alright, here we go. Oh, we're gonna go look at the prison unit. This is all Old Town Huntsville. That one's the race. Oh yeah. Alright. Here is the right. Now we get to go. Silverado. Good. Alright, everybody watch out. I'm coming in. These hills suck ass. There it is. Now you can see it. See some cells up top. There's a guard tower right there. Look at all these people. There's the van that brings the prisoners. Seen a documentary. Oh yeah. Here's Avenue I. Guard towers. Look at that. Yeah, you don't want to be in there. You definitely don't want to be in there at all. I mean, that's really not a place you want to be. There's some guards up there. Yeah. Definitely don't want to be up there. And my God, it smells like crap. Whew. Anyway, we're gonna go park and I'll get you up on campus. Another good spot to park. Definitely in the corner spot. Because everyone's leaving for the day and I have a stupid 3:30 class. Just stupid. Dumb history. So, anyway, time to do some walking. Thank God I'm out of that class. My teacher is the biggest liberal ever. Anyway, this is the administration building right here. It's old as shit. Yeah, this is pretty much the campus. Very, very pretty at this time. Everyone's getting off work. Yeah, sunset out here is really pretty. A lot of trees, hilly. Yeah, very nice. So nice out here. So this is Austin Hall. It is the oldest building west of the Mississippi, is what I've just looked up. It's been burned down a couple times or something like that. It had caught on fire, but anyway, this is the tallest point between Dallas and Houston, right here. That's that, what that, I guess, is right here. So it's pretty cool that this is the tallest point, and yeah. Very windy, cold front just blew through. Truck is gonna love this weather. Just enjoying it out here. Eating some sunflower seeds and about to go walk back to the truck. And there's like his little garden. I think some teachers come out here and teach sometimes whenever it's really nice out, like it is right now. Surprised no one's out here right now. But anyway, yeah, that's Austin Hall. There's a kind of cool part too. Kind of cool place over here to hang out. They call this like the plaza area. There's the infamous clock tower, which Sam Houston's famous for. Very beautiful. And we'll go down to the plaza. Very nice. I need like a damn stabilizer for this GoPro. Probably go buy one. Yeah, we're in the middle of the plaza now at the clock tower. Usually there's a lot more people out here, but everyone's at home doing nothing. Some flowers and crap. Very nice out over here. And the library's up over here. I'll get over there real quick. There's Sam Houston. Yay. And a big old statue. There's also a big ass statue on 45. I bet you all passed it. If you're going northbound, it's on your right. Southbound, it's on your left. It's big, can't miss it. And I see the library. I'm not going to go in there because I don't need to study, and I don't want to study right now. So, LOL. There's your business building. Kind of fancy, but yeah. There's a basement in the library, first floor, or second floor, third floor, fourth floor. Basement's kind of the first floor. So, and that's pretty much it. That's all the nice stuff on campus. Nothing really else. Some stuff over there, but it's honestly a small campus once you walk it a lot. Like I have every day. Criminal justice buildings over here. My goodness, it is windy. That guy's running. Alright, he's running. Look at him go. Good job. Oh yeah, this view's always pretty good when you're coming down the hill. This hill is very steep, but football stadium over there. Sometimes I park way in that parking lot. This is the library parking lot. Yeah, we're going to walk all the way back to my truck. So be sure to subscribe. There'll be some more interesting videos. Sorry, I'm being kind of boring, but whatever. I'll do some cool stuff this weekend, I think. So, anyway, yeah, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at SlimReaper_YouTube, and check out my other videos. Got some pretty cool videos out, and some about my jet ski so I can lower my truck. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Oh yeah, and I'm coming to Houston, so hit me up if you want to hang out.